Hello, everyone. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and write a comment for us. Today, wrong shoes. I wake up late, I run, fast morning, no time.
Fast morning. No look. Just go. Danger.
I take my shoes, left shoe, right shoe. Okay. I go out, I walk, step, step, fine. Then I stop. I look down, one black shoe. Wait, one white shoe. Black, white. Oh no,
Wrong shoes. Two shoes. Two colors. Perfect.
I look again. Black shoe, white shoe. Really? People walk near me. I look. Maybe they see.
Big question. Go home or walk? Choice.
I walk slowly. Step, step. Maybe okay. Then a girl looks. She smiles. Small smile. She sees. I laugh too. Black shoe, white shoe. Funny. I walk on the street. Black shoe, white shoe. Different. A man looks down. He looks at my shoes. Oh,
First person. Look. Smile. Sees.
then a woman looks. She walks. She sees. I walk more. People look. Look again. Many eyes.
Black shoe. White shoe. Everybody looks. Famous shoes.
A boy points. Look! Different shoes. Wow. His mother laughs. Small laugh. Kind laugh. Okay.
Not bad. People smile. Not angry. Good.
I stop. I look down. Black, white. Really funny. Then I smile. I laugh. Small laugh. Okay.
Good change. Not stress. Just funny. Easy.
I walk slowly. Black shoe, white shoe. Funny. Then a girl stops. She looks at my shoes.
Another look. Maybe laugh. Maybe smile.
She smiles big. Wow, cool shoes. What? I look at her. Cool? Black and white. Really?
Plot twist. Wrong shoes. Cool shoes. Fashion.
She nods fast. Yes, very cool. Nice. She takes her phone. Photo? Small photo. Ask. I laugh. Small laugh. Why not? Okay.
Now famous. Black shoe. White shoe. Star.
She takes a photo. Click. Smile. Funny. I walk again. Different shoes. Different feeling. Good. I walk again. Black shoe. White shoe. Funny. I look down. I smile. Small smile. Not bad.
Big change. Before stress. Now smile. Nice.
I walk more. Step, step. Good. I look in a window. Black shoe, white shoe. Cool.
Now fashion. Not mistake. Style. Maybe.
I laugh. Maybe. New style? Why not? I walk slowly. Head up. Smile. Good feeling.
Same shoes, different feeling, big change. True.
Yes. Black shoe, white shoe. I like it. I walk in the park. Black shoe, white shoe. Good. I see children. They play, run. Fun.
New people. Small eyes, big smiles. Look,
One boy stops. He looks down at my shoes. Wow. He points. Cool shoes. Black and white. Fun.
another fan. Kids love funny things. True.
A girl comes too. She smiles. I like them. Cute. I laugh. Really? Black and white. Funny shoes. The boy nods fast. Yes. Super cool. Wow.
Now famous again. Different shoes, happy kids. Good.
I smile big. Black shoe. White shoe. Good idea. I walk away. Slow steps. Smiling. Nice day. The children look at my shoes. Black shoe. White shoe. Smiling. The boy asks, why different shoes? Small question. Why?
Good moment. Real story or funny story?
I smile. I say, secret story. Listen. The children sit down. Small eyes, big smiles. Ready. I point to the black shoe. Night shoe, dark shoe, quiet. I point to the white shoe. Day shoe, light shoe, bright.
Night and day. Black and white. Hero shoes. Wow.
I say, when they walk together, good luck comes. Magic. The children smile big. Wow! Magic shoes! Cool.
Now the shoes change. Not mistake. Story. Imagination.
I laugh. Black shoe, white shoe, magic shoes. The children smile big. Black shoe, white shoe, magic shoes. The boy stands up. I want magic shoes. Big smile. Wow.
Now everybody wants them. One black shoe, one white shoe. Famous.
The girl laughs too. Me too. Magic shoes. Fun. The children look at their shoes. Blue shoes. Red shoes. Thinking.
New idea. Different shoes, different colors. Creative.
The boy points to his shoes. Blue and green. Magic too? Ask. I laugh. Yes, all colors. Magic.
Good answer. Black and white, blue and green. All magic.
The children smile more. They walk. Funny walks. Fun. I walk too. Black shoe. White shoe. Magic day. The children walk around me. Black shoe. White shoe. Smiling. The boy points. Magic shoes need names. Serious face. Important.
Of course. Magic shoes, magic names. Yes.
The girl thinks. Small thinking face. Then smile. Idea. She points to the black shoe. Night runner. Dark shoe. Cool. The boy points to the white shoe. Sunwalker. Bright shoe. Wow.
Big names. Night Runner, Sunwalker, Heroes.
I laugh. Very cool names. Black and white heroes. Nice. The children smile big. Magic shoes. Magic shoes. Fun.
Same shoes. New story. New names. Imagination.
I look down. Night runner. Sunwalker. I like them. So maybe the question is simple. Black shoe. White shoe. Magic shoes. What name do you give the shoes? Night runner. Sunwalker. Or another name. If you like this video, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And write in the comments, what name do you give the shoes?
Thank you for listening. See you next time.